Yep.
The
Figured
National Weather
unicorn.
Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Niagara County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Niagara State Park, or 12 miles north of Niagara Falls, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockport, Newfane, Pendleton, Lewiston, Youngstown, Fort Niagara State Park, Sanborn, Wilson, Cambria Center, and Olcott. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a